Good morning, student. Today we are going to start next topic of not from profit organization. In last video, I was told about that. If we are going to make the income and expenditure account, we have to mind some point that is very important point. These 9 very important point that is taking in mind on the time of making not for profit organization income and expenditure account. It's some important point that taking in mind on the time of making income and expenditure account. Now I'm going to explain all these points. First, subscription. Subscription is as like that. It's a society, they have some member and that member is given some fees, some amount to this business or this organization, that is called subscription. And this subscription we are showing in credit side in income and expenditure account. On the time of making of income and expenditure account, we are going to show this subscription in credit side. And in this subscription, we are going to add outstanding subscription and less prepaid or advance subscription of current year. Okay, beta? In this subscription, we are written like that. If this is the income and expenditure account, so then income and expenditure, so then by subscription add outstanding subscription and less advance subscription. Okay, beta? That both is current year. Both for the current year. If subscription is given, then we are showing this subscription on credit side and then add outstanding subscription for current year and less advance subscription for current year. Okay, clear? Now we are going for the life membership fees. It's a capitalized income, beta. It's a capitalized income. Last video I was telling the things in income and expenditure account, we are only showing all revenue items. Expense or income, that is other things, but we are showing the all revenue items. Okay, beta? All revenue. Here it's the life membership fee. This is the non-revenue, or you saying it's the capitalized item. So this life membership fees we are showing in balance sheet. It's the income and expenditure account, credit side. Okay, beta? And this life membership fee we are showing in balance sheet because this life membership fee paid by the member in one time on the time of taking admission or any other time, but they are given this amount only one time. Next, endorsement fund. This is also the same. It's a capitalized income. It's a capitalized, it's a liability. So we are showing this liability in balance sheet. BS, I think we will know about the BS. Full form, balance sheet. Everyone will know about that. Okay, beta? It's the endorsement fund we are showing in balance sheet. Now come on the fourth point. These 3 is clear, beta? These 3 is clear or not? Any problem? Again I will repeat, don't worry. Subscription showing in credit side of income and expenditure account, life membership fee in balance sheet, endorsement fund, balance sheet. Entrance fee. In this entrance fee, we are showing this entrance fee generally in income and expenditure account. But if any information is given for this entrance fee, that is the capitalized, then we are showing that entrance fee in balance sheet. But no information given in the question, then we are showing this entrance fee in income and expenditure account. But if any information is there, then we are showing in balance sheet. If any information is there, so then we are showing in balance sheet. Okay, beta? Entrance fee. Again, I will repeat. Entrance fee. If no information about this entrance fee, so then we are showing this entrance fee in income and expenditure account. If any information is there, then we are going to show this entrance fee in balance sheet. Okay, beta? Go for the donation. Next point is donation. Actually, two types. I think well known about the donation. What is the donation? But here two type of donation. We are taking the two type of donation: a special and general. A special donation means if you are receiving any type of specialized donation, as like donation for building, donation for plant, donation for any work. If you are just taking this type of donation for anything, that is the special donation, and that special donation we are showing in a balance sheet. We are showing in balance sheet because it's a special donation. Okay, beta? It's a special donation. So we are showing this special donation in balance sheet. Okay. Next, general donation. If no information given about the donation, if that donation is for any specialized things, so then take this donation in income and expenditure account. That donation take in income and expenditure account, beta. ठीक है? Okay. It's a in income and expenditure account. Clear? Credit side. Income and expenditure account, credit side. Specialized donation, any donation for any special work, we are showing in balance sheet, and general donation we are showing in income and expenditure account. Then next, legacy. It's very clear. Legacy showing in balance sheet. Showing in balance sheet. It's clear, very clear. Legacy will showing in balance sheet. Now we are going for the sale of old assets. Here some important point is there. Sale of old assets. If by the selling of this old assets you are received the income, it's sure and certain go in the income and expenditure account, beta. But income and expenditure account. But by the sale of assets you are received the income, so that is showing on income side, but loss expense side. Okay, beta? As like if your assets value is 5,000, your assets value is 5,000, your assets value is 5,000. Okay, beta? And you are going to sell these assets in only 4,000. 1,000 loss? 1,000 loss? Is clear, beta? Value 5,000 but sell in 4,000. Then 1,000 loss in expense. Okay? This 1,000 we are showing is this side, expense side. It's the expense side and this is the income side. Okay, beta? Clear? If same thing, you are going to sell this amount, this 5,000 assets in 9,000, then you are earning 4,000, then you are going to show this amount is income side. Okay, beta? Clear? This amount in income side. Clear, beta? Okay, go for the next. Sale of old newspaper. Any type of sale of old assets. Old are scrapped things. Old are scrapped things. Okay? So we are going to show in income and expenditure account. Going to show in income and expenditure account. Going to show in income and expenditure account. Okay, beta? Last is honorarium. Okay, beta? It's like a salary. It's like a salary. It's not a salary. It's not a remuneration, because this amount we are given the some person, they are giving some specialized service. Okay beta, as like in any engineering college, if any scientist is coming and just taking for any lecture, okay beta, or any sports person coming and take some lecture about the sports, about the other things. So on that time we are not going to pay him any remuneration or salary. We are paying him honorarium. Okay beta, this amount we are showing in income and expenditure account. Okay beta, clear? It's a clear all nine. First is subscription showing in income and expenditure account. Credit side, life membership fees. Liability side, balance sheet. Endorsement fee. Liability side, balance sheet. Entrance fee. If any information, specialized information is given about this entrance fee, that will show in a balance sheet, so then we are going to show this in a balance sheet. Otherwise in income and expenditure account. Next, donation. Next is donation. Donation, two type donation is there. One, special donation showing in balance sheet. Okay beta, and journal donation showing in where? Showing in income and expenditure account. Journal donation showing in income and expenditure account. Then legacy always showing in balance sheet. Always showing in balance sheet. Sale of old assets, we are going to just show in a income and expenditure account. If income side, if expenditure, then expense side. If income side, if expenditure, then expense side. Next, sale of old newspaper. Okay, that amount we are just showing in income and expenditure account. That amount we are showing in income and expenditure account. Next, honorarium. That amount we are going to show where? In income and expenditure account. Okay beta, clear or not? Any problem? Repeat again. Okay, subscription, income and expenditure account, life membership fee, balance sheet, endorsement fund, balance sheet, entrance fee, income and expenditure account. If any type of special information is given, then we are going to show in a balance sheet. Next, donation, special donation showing in balance sheet, general donation showing in income and expenditure account. Legacy, balance sheet, sale of old assets, income and expenditure account. Sale of old newspaper, income and expenditure account. Honorarium, income and expenditure account. Okay, clear? Now we are going for next topic, and next topic is journal and special fund. Okay beta, in this journal and special fund, that journal and special fund we are showing in balance sheet beta. This journal and special fund we are going to show in balance sheet. But what treatment we are showing for that? Just see. If journal or special fund is given in the question and the expense related with this journal or special fund is given, so that expense we are not going to show in income and expenditure account, or that income we are not going to show in income and expenditure account beta. Okay, as like that, if sports fund is given and expense of sports fund or tournament fund is given, and expense for tournament fund is given, expense given, so that expense we are cut from the sports or tournament fund. That is what going to show in income and expenditure account. As like that, if sports fund, sports fund is given and any expense, sports expense is given, so that expense less from the sports fund. If tournament fund is given, tournament fund is given and tournament expense, is given, so then that expense we are going to less from this tournament fund only. Okay beta, that is not we are going to show in income and expenditure account. Okay, clear? Same way, if income is given relate with this special fund, so that will add in this special fund. Okay beta, just I am giving one formula or saying us one pro forma, by that you are easily show this special fund. Okay beta, as like that, if any special fund is given, okay, then add income for a special fund. Okay beta, that will add. If any income relate with this special fund, that will add in this special fund, and less expense for a special fund. Okay, if any type of expense is given, relate with this special fund, so that will less. Okay beta, clear? And after that, what amount is coming here, that will show in a balance sheet beta, that will show in a balance sheet. And if investment of a special fund is given, so that will show in balance sheet, but asset side. That pen is not working clearly. Asset side. But this special fund we are going to show in balance sheet, liability side beta, liability side. Okay. One more topic here. If this special fund is less than his expense, if this special fund is less than his expense, then that expense we are going to show in income and expenditure account. As like that, if special fund is only 40,000, okay, and expense 50,000, then remaining this 10,000 we are going to show in expense side of income and expenditure account. Okay beta, clear? Okay beta, clear? If this amount, the expense amount is more than for his fund, so then the remaining amount we are going to show in where? In expense side. Okay beta, clear? Okay, go for one very small topic more. If any type of expense or income is given, so how we are going to treat the outstanding and prepaid? I will just tell the things. Any expense or income and expense, so that amount what we are going to expending on during the year, add outstanding current year less advance current year, add outstanding last year, less advance current year. ओके बेटा, वेट add advance last year and less outstanding last year. Okay beta, by this we are going to present all the things. By this we are going to present all the income or expenditure in this income and expenditure account. Okay, by the using of these all things we can easily make the income and expenditure account. Okay, thank you.